Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T, and before we get started with the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload to YouTube, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. And today we're going to do a quick Forsage update. When I'm talking about quick, this is going to be quick. I just got off of work. I'm tired, but I want to stay on track. I want to stick to my schedule. So I'm just going to do a quick update for my journey and also for you guys that are interested to see what's going on with my account. So as you guys can see, I only still have 2 referrals. I'm at $126. So I think I gained like $1 since yesterday. So that means that the price of Ethereum is going up. Um, so I don't have any overflow as of right now. No overflow has come in. I have $66 on X4 and I have $60 on X3. And that's basically it. Tomorrow, when I upload, I'm actually going to go ahead and purchase another slot. I think I'm going to purchase a slot in X4. Yeah, I'm going to purchase this one tomorrow, guys. I'm definitely going to get this one tomorrow. So yeah, and as of today, 554,866 people are in Forsage now, and as of the last 24 hours, 13,184 have joined Forsage, so it's definitely growing. Um, Listen, guys, we're gonna be at a mill real soon. Best believe that. And yeah, that's basically it. This is just a quick video just so I could document it from my journey. If you guys are interested in joining Forsage, be sure to click the link in the video description, ginger.forevereth.com. And if you guys want more information about Forsage, you can go down to that same link as well. I'm going to be having some different content coming to my channel next week because even though I'm doing my Forsage updates, I want to start talking about different things that I'm interested in talking about with you guys. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Everybody have a great night, great morning, great afternoon, and talk to you in the next video. Bye.